Hello guys.
Welcome to the French track. Today let's learn French alphabet together.
A B
B,
C
C,
D
A,
E
O,
F
F,
G
J,
H
H,
I
E,
J
Z,
K
K,
L
L,
M
M,
N
N,
O
O,
P
P,
Q
Q,
R
R,
S
X,
T
T,
U
V,
W
W,
X
Y,
Y Z
Z. Thank you for watching.